Hello, we are making butterbeer today. We need 2 teaspoons of butter, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, cup of milk, teaspoon of wine, a cracked pinch of cinnamon. Melt sugar and butter and make caramel. Add milk, vanilla and cinnamon, boil it and pour it in a cup. Enjoy!
I'm in Hufflepuff. I did the test. It's my favorite house since I didn't know that I was in Hufflepuff, but it was my favorite house anyway.
I did the test. I'm in Ravenclaw, but I am smart, but I'm not that smart to be genius or something, right?
So you don't want to be.
I am fine with being Ravenclaw, but I would rather be a Hufflepuff.
Mine is Newt Scamander from Fantastic Beasts. It's also included in Harry Potter. I like him because he's very good with animals, especially magical creatures.
Mine is Luna Lovegood. I like her because she is crazy. She's an outcast. She stands out. I love that about her. And she's in my house, so yeah.